So now I'm going to be comparing 4 Pilsners. And doing this round robin. Every beer is going against every beer. Not a bracket style tournament. And what we have is Paulaner, which already went up against Krombacher and beat it. 4.8 ABV. Krombacher Pilsner, 4.8 ABV. Weihenstephaner, 5.1 ABV. This is pretty good. And here's one that I'm not familiar with. Flensburger Pilsner. It's a product from Germany, 4.8 ABV. First time I've seen it in the store. And this thing was expensive. A 6-pack of this was about $19 or something. 6-pack of this was about $13. All right, let's get them poured and quit wasting time. I already opened this so it's not popping. All right, now. Is this a 12-ounce bottle or is it metric? Yes, it's metric. That's 11.2 ounces. And I don't believe there's any need to do this blindfolded because it's just too much of a hassle to do all that. And I don't think that I'm biased. I don't really have a preference for any of these brands. So to me, it doesn't really matter who's best, which one's better. I just want to do this to find out. All right. Now let's see what do we have here. Line these up so you can get a good look at them. Now, to me, it looks like this Flensburger might be a little bit darker. As far as alcohol content goes, the Weihenstephaner is the highest. These are 5.1 and these are 4.8. Krombacher appears to be a bit darker too. And also the most foamy, or the one that retains the head the most. The head on the Weihenstephaner is gone, pretty much. And Paulaner and Flensburger appear to be the same. Maybe Flensburger has a little bit thicker head. So anyway, let's try Flensburger versus Krombacher. That's pretty good. It's got some hoppiness to it. It's smooth, it's malty. I think the barley malt has offset the bitterness of the hops, making it well balanced and quite tasty. That's kind of good too. I think I got to give that to Flensburger. So, all right, now let's try. Well, we already did Krombacher versus Paulaner, and Paulaner won. We can do Krombacher or Flensburger versus Weihenstephaner. These are the two most expensive, I believe. There is a similar flavor, but a difference that this one has a bit more of a bite to it. A bit more bitter. A bit more smooth. This one's starting to taste like water compared to this one. Now I got to give this one to Weihenstephaner. All right, who's the most here? So this is Paulaner. We'll put Paulaner up against Weihenstephaner. Now, the last time that I had the Paulaner, I actually felt that it tasted pretty good. felt that it tasted hoppy. Kind of like an IPA, but I'm not really picking that up now. Maybe it's because of these other beers. I got to go with Weihenstephaner on this. All right, so Paulaner against Weihenstephaner loses. Weihenstephaner. Okay. All right, now, what do we have? Who's got the most beer here? Paulaner. Weihenstephaner, but we are Krombacher. Krombacher's the most. So Krombacher has went up against Flensburger, lost, and Paulaner lost. Now it's got to go up against Weihenstephaner. I think I'll go with the Krombacher. I mean the Weihenstephaner here again. We have two. Well, Flensburger and Paulaner, and that's it. Flensburger and Paulaner. All right. There's an aftertaste about that Paulaner that this Flensburger doesn't have. And the aftertaste is what's ruining it compared with the Flensburger. I'm going to go with the Flensburger. All right, so here's what we have now. Flensburger has won twice and lost once. It lost against Weihenstephaner. Krombacher has lost all 3 times. Paulaner has lost twice and won once against Krombacher. And Weihenstephaner has won 3 times. So of these 4, it would seem that the ranking would go Weihenstephaner, Flensburger, Paulaner, and Krombacher. Then I'll have some more beers to add into this round robin. And see who makes the best German Pilsner. And so far it might be Weihenstephaner. But we're not on. We got Ayinger coming up, if I can find it. I know they've got Ayinger, but the Pilsner is not as easy to find. Bitburger, Radeberger, Koenig. So that's what, 4 more? Bitburger, Radeberger, Koenig, and Ayinger. Yeah, 4 more. Who else we got? Who else makes a German Pilsner that's readily available? I don't know. But I can go to the store and I'll see if I can find those. And then I'm going to have to pour them in glasses like this and maybe put them up against each other and then start mixing so they go up against these. But like I said, in a round robin, every beer goes against every beer. And that means I got a lot of beer to drink. And doing just 4 at a time. So I have these 4 beers, but that's a liter right here of these 2. And this, probably a half liter, I don't know. Let's see. How many? 330 milliliters. So it's 660. So these 2 are almost a liter. And this is a liter. So it's about a liter, 1.66 liters in one sitting. It's not really a lot. Because in them German mugs, the Mosskrug, those are 1 liter mugs. And drink them all day in Oktoberfest. So there's a German restaurant, a beer garden here, and I go there. I could drink at least 2, no problem. Sometimes I'll get 3. But so yeah, I don't think it'd be a big deal. All right, that's it.